Hello and welcome back, my friends. This evening, I'm going to be giving you guys an update on one of the plants growing out in my garden that I think all of you should be growing as well. Check it out. So over here, next to the pond, we have a Chayote vine, Chayote squash, growing up this cattle panel trellis. And this plant has really taken off here in the northern hemisphere during this latter part of July. Now you'll see that these shoots, which are spreading out every which way, have a vigorous tip on them with some tendrils, and this is actually my favorite part of the plant to consume and have a quick snack. So the flavor is almost identical to a green bean. The difference being, I think it's even more tastier than a green bean, and there's no stringiness to it whatsoever. Now, the entire plant is edible. We're talking about the tips, the leaves, the stem, the tendrils, even the tubers that grow at the base of the plant in the root zone. And everywhere you pinch a tip off, the plant will actually send out a new shoot and continue to bush out. So the more tips that you pinch, the more shoots will start to spread out, and you're going to have yourself a very bushy, viney plant. You can see it's growing up over the trellis here, which is wonderful. And as much as we look forward to getting a harvest of the squash off this plant, even if it doesn't make it that far, because we have mixed success growing this in our garden, it's still very much worth growing. As I said, just a valuable, easy to grow plant that's completely edible. So this right here is an older chayote we had sitting inside the kitchen, and it began to sprout out here. And in the center of the squash is the seed. That's where it's beginning to sprout. And this is what you plant in your garden. So here's a nice spot to plant here in my automatic pool garden setup. And the way you want to plant these is downward in your garden, like so. And we'll just backfill that. Now this plant can perennialize in your garden, which is what's happened back over here. Here's we have a nice little microclimate, and the plant is vining out up and over the ceanothus over here, over this way as well, climbing its way up the trellis. So this plant died back last year as it is frost sensitive, but it did re-emerge. Now, if you do live in colder climates, that's not going to be the case, but you could still grow this plant as an annual. So where do you pick up the chayote to start growing it yourself? Go to any Asian market, they're going to have it there for you, and just allow it to sit on the kitchen counter until you start to see some sprouts start to grow. Then you can plant it out in your garden. So if you're looking for a climber, something unique, more rare than your average squash plant, then give the chayote squash a try. You'll be happy you did. And so with that, have yourself a great rest of the night. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.